Hey guys, welcome to Luke Diggs Vlogs. I know I have not been uploading a lot lately, but I promise you I'm going to upload a lot more. We're going to head over to Tamarack Nature Center. It's super fun. They have this big kind of rock playground, and they have these awesome trails, awesome fall colors. You guys are going to love it. Yeah, let's get right into it. Hey guys, we made it to Tamarack Nature Center. Welcome to Tamarack Nature Center. Super fun. We're just gonna go over to the little playground, and it's gonna be epic. Stay tuned, you guys. Play is training for the unexpected. Pretty fun place. Say hi, Clara. Say hi, Clara.
He's camera shy.
Tamarack Nature Center. They have the little river going. Super fun. All the logs and stuff. Hey Stell, how's Tamarack Nature Center?
Awesome.
Nice. Super fun. Go check out Tamarack Nature Center. Awesome place. Everybody ready to run down the hill?
Yeah!
3, 2, 1! So fun.
Let's go back. Let's do it again. Now we're going back there again.
We're playing hide and seek tag. Freya's up there looking for us. We're in a huge heap of straw. Gotta stay away from Freya. We're playing hide and seek tag. I'll check in with you guys later, okay? Pretty much lost. Freya hasn't found me yet. Oh, dang it! Freya found me and tagged me. Like the rock playground. How was it, Clara and Freya?
Look, I painted my nails.
Hide and seek tag. That was awesome. Tamarack Nature Center, awesome. Go check it out in the fall. Beautiful colors. Yeah. Just wanted to check in.
Ready?
See you guys.
Put your shoes on.
Hey guys. We're on the little rocking benches. Daddy made it.
What's up?
What's up? And Freya's pushing Estelle and Clara and Jack. Everybody. It's a fun day. Yeah. Guys, once again, we're playing a hide and seek game. Not the same prairies. Yep, a bigger one. This time, our dad is counting. Everybody's splitting up. And I'm gonna hide in spot. I'm going straight. These are the prairies. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. I'm gonna tune in with you. Hey guys, out in the prairie, we're playing hide and seek.
Down here.
Oh, hey,
what's
Dad.
going on? Hey,
What's up?
Have a good day.
Long time no see, yeah. So we're in the prairie playing hide and go seek. I turned out to be the winner. Nobody found me. So I gotta go back and actually get them now because I have to catch up with them now. Hey guys, checking in. We're playing on these logs here. We're gonna go and get some lunch soon. We're gonna head out pretty soon and we're gonna get some lunch. Yeah, great day. See you guys next time on Luke to the Diggs to the Vlogs. Woo! Subscribe and like. Share this.
Post notifications and drop a comment down below.
Share this video with your friends. Subscribe. See you guys next time on Luke Diggs Vlogs.